Are you tired of working 9 to 5 and not seeing the financial freedom you want? Well, I've got some good news for you. Now you won't have to live paycheck to paycheck. It's time to start building that passive income stream you've always dreamed of. And that too with a set of 7 easy steps. Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that we all love: making money. But not just any money. Passive income. And the cherry on top, we're going to show you how to make $100 per day with cryptocurrency in just 7 simple steps. No, we're not talking about some get-rich-overnight scheme. This is all about taking advantage of the power of cryptocurrency and turning it into a steady stream of cash flow. I am not a financial advisor. These videos are for educational purposes only. Investing of any kind involves risk. While it is possible to minimize risk, your investments are solely your responsibility. It is imperative that you conduct your own research. I am merely sharing my opinion with no guarantee of gains or losses on investments. So, are you ready? Let's get started. But before we get into it, let me ask you a question. Have you ever heard the phrase "work smarter, not harder"? That's exactly what passive income is all about. It's a way to make money without having to actively work for it every single day. And you know what's even cooler? You can do it with cryptocurrency. So, what is passive income? It's basically a way to earn money on a regular basis without having to put in a lot of effort. It's like having your own little money-making machine that just keeps on chugging away. And the best part is, once you set it up, you can just sit back and watch the cash roll in. And one of the best ways to achieve passive income is through cryptocurrency. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but wait, isn't cryptocurrency a risky investment? And yeah, it can be. But if you do your research and invest in the right coins, you can earn some serious passive income. There are actually some really solid ways to earn passive income with crypto that don't involve you having to be a day trader or anything like that. If you're not familiar with cryptocurrency, it's a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Bitcoin is probably the most well-known example, but there are countless other options out there. So, how do you make $100 per day with cryptocurrency? Here are the 7 steps you need to follow. Step 1. Do your research. Before you start investing in cryptocurrency, it's important to do your due diligence. Learn as much as you can about the different options available and make sure you understand the risks and rewards of each one. Step 2. Choose your investments. Once you've done your research, it's time to choose which cryptocurrencies you want to invest in. Keep in mind that diversification is key, so don't put all your eggs in one basket. Step 3. Set up a wallet. To buy and sell cryptocurrency, you'll need a digital wallet. There are plenty of options out there, so make sure you choose one that is secure and easy to use. Before we move further with today's video, guys, support this channel by smashing the like buttons and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop for all the upcoming videos. Step 4. Buy your cryptocurrency. Once you've set up your wallet, you're ready to start buying cryptocurrency. You can do this on a variety of different platforms, such as Coinbase or Binance. Step 5. Hold on to your cryptocurrency. Now that you've bought your cryptocurrency, the key is to hold on to it. Don't get caught up in the hype and start selling too soon. Instead, wait for the value to increase before selling. Step 6. Use a staking platform. A staking platform is a way to earn interest on your cryptocurrency without having to do any work. All you have to do is hold your cryptocurrency in the platform and you learn interest on it. Step 7. Repeat. The key to making $100 per day with cryptocurrency is to repeat the process. Keep investing in new cryptocurrency and using staking platforms to earn interest. With time, your investments will compound, and you'll start earning more and more money passively. You don't have to be a day trader or a crypto expert to make some extra cash in the crypto world. In fact, there are a ton of ways to earn passive income with cryptocurrency that is perfect for beginners. First off, let's talk about staking. Staking is the process of holding onto a certain amount of a specific cryptocurrency in order to help validate transactions on that blockchain. In return for your help, you'll receive a reward in the form of more of that cryptocurrency. It's like getting paid interest on your savings account, but in crypto. And the best part is, you don't have to do anything other than hold on to your coins. It's as passive as it gets. Another great way to earn passive income with crypto is through masternodes. A masternode is a full node on a blockchain network that performs certain functions, like processing transactions or voting on decisions for the network. Just like with staking, you'll receive a reward for helping to maintain the network. The catch is that you'll need to hold a certain amount of the cryptocurrency in order to run a masternode. But if you're willing to invest a bit more, the rewards can be much higher. If you're not quite ready to invest a big chunk of money into crypto, there are still ways to earn passive income. One popular option is lending your crypto through platforms like Nexo or Celsius. These platforms allow you to lend out your crypto to other users and earn interest on it. It's a great way to earn some extra cash without having to sell your coins. Plus, you can still benefit from price increases while your crypto is out on loan. Finally, let's talk about crypto affiliate programs. Many crypto projects offer referral programs where you can earn a commission for bringing new users to the platform. It's a great way to earn some passive income without having to do much other than spread the word about a project you believe in. Plus, you'll be helping others learn about crypto and potentially earn some extra cash themselves. Risks involved and how to minimize them. But just like with any investment, there are risks involved, and it's important to be aware of them before diving in. So, let's go over a few of the biggest risks involved with earning passive income through cryptocurrency. First, there's the risk of market volatility. Cryptocurrency is known for its extreme price fluctuations, and it's not uncommon for the value of a coin to drop or skyrocket overnight. This can have a major impact on your passive income if you're holding or staking a coin that suddenly loses value. Another risk is the possibility of a hack or security breach. Cryptocurrency is stored in a digital wallet, and if that wallet is hacked, your coins could be stolen. This is a risk with any type of digital investment, but it's especially important to be aware of when it comes to cryptocurrency. And finally, there's the risk of a project or coin becoming obsolete. A lot of the coins and projects in the crypto world are new and untested, and there's always the possibility that they could fail. This can have a major impact on your passive income if you've invested in a coin that's no longer being used or supported. So, what can you do to minimize these risks and protect your passive income? Well, the first thing is to do your research. Make sure you understand the coin or project you're investing in and the technology behind it. It's also important to diversify your investments and not put all your eggs in one basket. This way, if one coin or project fails, you're not losing all of your passive income. Another tip is to set up a stop loss. A stop loss is a way to automatically sell your coins if they drop below a certain value. This can help you minimize your losses if the market takes a turn for the worse. Finally, be sure to use a reputable and secure digital wallet to store your coins. This will help protect your coins from hackers and ensure that they're safe and secure. Overall, earning passive income through cryptocurrency can be a great way to make money, but it's important to be aware of the risks involved. By doing your research, diversifying your investments, and being smart about how you store your coins, you can minimize these risks and protect your passive income. All you have to do is do your research, choose your investments, set up a wallet, buy your cryptocurrency, hold on to it, use a staking platform, and repeat the process. That's it. By following these 7 simple steps, you can start making $100 per day with cryptocurrency in no time. Of course, it's important to remember that cryptocurrency is a volatile market and there are risks involved. But with the right approach and a bit of patience, you can start earning passive income and reaching your financial goals. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative and helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. We'll be back with another video soon, so make sure to hit that notification bell to stay updated. We'll see you in the next video.